just got this fan. It's pretty tall. We are a hot area over here and we need fans in all rooms, so let's give it a go. It's plugged in. It spins. You can change it to all different little times. It's pretty loud, but it's on 3, and I guess that means that it's working. Sounds pretty good though, and the air is freezing. So we'll see how it does through summer.
Just arrived today. You see how defective this is? It does not even turn around or oscillate. So when you press the oscillate button, nothing. Nothing at all. Crazy. And if you want to go on, yeah, it goes to the second phase. It's strong, but then you go to number 3, it shuts off. Nothing. Yep. It's one of those defectiveness. So I don't know. PELONIS may not be a reputable company. I'm telling you, I'm getting this replaced. I'm giving them another chance, but yep, just letting you know, this may not be the brand for everyone.
This fan's very good. I really like the buttons on the top. I like how this button, you can move it so it spins. And then, you got the different rows up here. It's a good fan. I recommend buying it.
Maryland offers you their comfort for your loss. You must mourn her in accordance to the rituals of your ancestors.
This fan is on high, and you can barely hear it. It's the best fan I ever bought.
It's so beautiful.